Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you've gotten the results from an employee engagement survey and you're not sure how to take action based on it. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Now, you'll definitely want to stick around to the end of this video to learn how you can get 100 more tips that you can immediately use. Today's tip: ask about your employees' level of satisfaction. How do you do this? Use short, pulse-type surveys rather than the long-winded questionnaires. For any tech-phobic staff, make sure that you invest in a simple system and provide the necessary training so that you can get their feedback. Include both open-ended and closed questions to get the full picture of what's going on. And act on the feedback you receive. Nothing is worse than providing the information in the hopes that something is finally going to change and then hearing crickets instead of seeing action. Survey your employees regularly, perhaps once a quarter, but not so much that they get burned out from all the polls. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement by clicking on the link in the description below. See you next time.